So this is a very quick demo on the fastest and easiest way to add or upload a file on Squarespace. So from your main dashboard, you're going to select Pages. I've only got one in my navigation. For this, it doesn't really matter. I'm going to go to Not Linked, and I'm going to click the plus. I'm going to scroll down to where it says Link. Doesn't matter what you have as a link title. What you can do is call it Upload, and you're going to click here where it says URL, go to File, click this button here. You are going to select your JavaScript file. So I'm just quickly having a browse. Let's go with, this is my footnotes plugin. So you'll see in a second, Squareskills footnotes. That's done. I'm going to click Save, and it's uploaded. What I can then do here is, if I want to upload another file, is click the cog, remove link, and do a new upload. What I tend to say is, once you've done a file upload, go back to URL and just change this to a hash and save. And keep this in your not linked so that no one accidentally gets access to it and is clicking random things. And you can just leave that probably somewhere at the top so that anytime you want to upload a file, again, click the cog, select that you want a file, upload your file as it would be here, and save. Super easy, super quick, and it works for all acceptable file types that Squarespace lists in their article.